Alibaba closed at 109.28. The question is, are we going to get to 120 this year, or are we going to go back down, filling all of these gaps? I do see one right here at 85, another one at 91, and then here's another one at 98. And if you have been here long enough, you know that every single gap gets filled. And look at this. Right here, when it went to 120, it sold off. This was back in 2022. And then again in 2023, when it went to 120, it sold off. So now we are at a critical spot again around 110. Is this the start of a sell-off? Look at this. Once it hit 120, look how many weeks it turned red after hitting 120. Back early last year, if anyone remembers that time. So there is news coming out Saturday. Again, this is my theory, is buy the rumor, sell the news. This article came out today. It says why Alibaba stock is volatile. Volatility this week stems from domestic traders' expectations of broader economic stimulus measures, which were not immediately met. The People's Bank of China have somewhat tempered the market's concern. What's happening? As China's equity markets resumed trading on Tuesday, investor sentiment was initially cautious due to the lack of substantial economic stimulus that traders have factored into their outlook during the holiday break. This led to a pressure start for key Chinese stocks, including Alibaba. The company, heavily dependent on China's domestic economic health and consumer confidence, is especially sensitive to shifts in market sentiments. On Thursday, the PBOC stepped in with a new set of measures aimed at boosting the liquidity and stability of China's capital markets. Let me know what is different this time around. And we know that Alibaba is undervalued, but Alibaba doesn't trade on fundamentals. Like I said, if you have been here long enough, you would know that Alibaba doesn't trade on fundamentals. It doesn't matter how low the PE ratio is. It doesn't matter how much share buybacks are doing. And you cannot compare Alibaba to Amazon to Meta. Here we are. Critical points. We're going to find out on Saturday what the news is, and I can almost be sure that we are going to have a sell-off next week. The daily charts, I don't like it because these gaps here are going to get filled eventually. Don't know when. It's probably, like I said, we're probably going to wait until Saturday. It's probably going to get pumped up tomorrow, hoping that the news is good on Saturday, but every time it's buy the rumor, sell the news. I hope people took their profits because that is a lot of money that people made in the last 2 to 3 weeks. Let me know, guys. Do you think Alibaba can get to 120 this year? We were close. We were very close.